Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariowicz and I will invite you to my tutorial where I will show you how to download mods to Lethal Company. So, I will show you how to do it step by step. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. You have 3 seconds to subscribe my channel. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Thank you for help. I will also help you to installation in installation this mods. So you have link in the description to mods, and first you must download this R2 Modman. It is simply and easy to use mod manager. So you must download this manual download. Okay, and now look at this. You have it here, and you must just now install this program R2 Modman. Okay, yes, I did it. And now you can just launch this program, and what you need to do next, you must choose game Lethal Company, enter, and now here you have some options. Yes, it is not that hard. It's really easy. So in online you have mods. You have mods which you want. You can have more company, more people can join to your host, more Lethal Company. Yes. So you just click on this, and now you click download. Yes, downloading. Yeah, nice. And now it is in mods installed. Here you have all mods which you have. It are all your mods. I have 17.4. I download something from Team Fortress 2. I download reserved flashlight slot, SCP Ghost, something like this. I don't know. Team Fortress 2 mod pack, as you can see. Many. Also more company. And now last SCP Ghost. Yeah. Last step is just click start modded. Yeah, that's all, everything. Yeah, and if you can play here with mods, and you have also vanilla. Vanilla mean that you can play without mods. So here you play without mods normally. Here you have with mods. And if you want to play with other players, I really recommend you to tell everyone I will recommend you to tell you all your friends that they also must do this. So they also need to download R2 Modman, pick up all mods, download all mods which you have, and then can join with your host and then you can play together. Because if you only have mods, they don't have, it can't be no playable. There can be problem with gameplay together. Okay, so that's all. So thanks for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. My English is not perfect. I know my English suck, but I know that is much better. It's much better. I still teach myself this language. Yeah, I am trying be better version of myself. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave like, subscribe. If you have a question, write a comment. I will try to help you. See you next time. Bye.